Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update Gmail app on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to update Gmail app on your phone, guys, first open up your Play Store on your phone and not the Gmail app itself. And after opening your Play Store, guys, you'll land on this kind of interface where at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the search button available for us at the bottom right. Tap on the search button at the bottom right corner and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and search for Gmail over here and search for it, and then the Gmail app appear at the top of the list over here. You can see, tap on the Gmail, and in order to update it, guys, if there was an update button instead of the open button over here, I would be required to update my Gmail app. But in my case, the Gmail app on my phone is up to date, so I'll not be required to update it. But in your case, guys, if your Gmail app had required an update, there will be the update button instead of the open button. So tap on the update button if it's available in your case, and then your Gmail app will be updated in a moment. And with that being said, guys, this is how to update your Gmail app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.